Hi friends, welcome back to another vlog from my New York series. It is a Saturday morning and we all were getting ready one by one. Husband and his friends were preparing the breakfast. I always refrain and avoid from doing any kitchen works on our trips as we all need a break from our daily chores. And my husband also support this thing of mine. So breakfast options were boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, bread, tea or juice as anyone liked, banana and roasted cashews so that people can eat whatever they liked. And my mother-in-law, she had the bread, banana and tea. So Sia also done her breakfast with me, and after having our breakfast we all left from the house to visit our spots for the day as planned. I also kept some items for Sia so that I could feed her when she was hungry on the way. And this is the same jumpsuit which I showed you in my recent dress haul. So this is the same one which I'm wearing, and this is from Dry Goods. And now we are going for the cruise to visit the Statue of Liberty as well as Ellis Island Museum. So we are moving towards there, and Sia is also wearing the same dress which I showed in my recent dress haul.
हाय करो
Quickly, step right up, everyone. Please move quick.
Exhausted and anxious about what lay ahead. As they neared the end of their journey, these immigrants were greeted by a number of overwhelming sights. Many of these same sights are visible to you today. Look at the Manhattan skyline. Imagine the awe these new arrivals must have felt as the city's grand vista emerged above the waves.
So first we came out of the cruise to visit the Ellis Island Museum. So now we have come out of the cruise and we are heading towards the Ellis Island Museum. And talking about the museum, it was the gateway for over 12 million immigrants to the United States. As the United States' busiest immigrant inspection station for over 60 years. It was used as America's immigration station in the past. And the museum also tells about the stories of why so many people immigrated to America and what became of them after they arrived here. So now we are again going towards a cruise for the next slot to visit the Statue of Liberty. So now I have come out of the Ellis Island Museum and now we are sitting in the cruise again to go to the Statue of Liberty. Meanwhile, Sia took a nap while I was visiting the Ellis Island Museum. So now our cruise is heading towards the Statue of Liberty, and let me tell you something about Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is more than a monument. It's a living symbol of freedom to the millions around the world. The statue is a tribute to the people who created her, to those who built and paid for her, to the ideals she represents, and to the hope she inspired among the millions in the world.
वहाँ से निकलेंगे नहीं वहीं से चली जाएगी ना
This is the details of the person who made the statue. And now we are going inside the statue up to the pedestrian access. We could not book the crown tickets and could not go up because it has to be booked 4 months in advance.
बेटा गिर जाओगे आप ऐसे नहीं करना डर नहीं लगेगा एकदम मजे से मैं नहीं कह रही डर लगे सिया रुको उधर चल के फोटो खींचते हैं आ जाओ
So this is how it looks from seeing above from the statue, and now afterwards we are going back. So now we are heading back again to the cruise to go back, and it was really a lifelong experience of watching this famous monument, the huge, the magnificent, the magical Statue of Liberty, which I always wanted to see. And now we have come to the restaurant named Mithas to explore the flavor of this restaurant about Indian cuisines. We did not try Western food because my mom-in-law don't like them, so we did not go to any Western restaurant. We all 7 people were there, and we all were so hungry that we had our dinner at 6 o'clock only. First we tried to have the snacks, but then plan changed. After having little bit of snacks, we thought of ordering a lot more food so that we all can have the dinner at that time only. And one of our friend lived 1.5 hour drive away from that particular restaurant. When we called him, we are in New York, he came to meet us. This is something about good friends which you earn. We were glad to see him again after a long period of time. He came with us to the house to spend some more time, and just to mention, he used to live in Chicago near our home, and at that time we had our friendship, and it was really nice of him to come here by driving 1.5 hour and just to meet us. We were really glad to see him. Thank you, Sandy, if you are watching my vlog. Thanks for coming.
Hi Sandy.
सुंडी आ गया सुंडी
Where is she? She's inside the car.
भाई कितने दिन हो गया
So our friend also came with us to the house we booked, and we also spent some time, and he left late night from that place. So this is how the Saturday went, and we all loved the day as it passed by, exploring the beauty and the magic of the places we visited the last Saturday. Thanks for watching. There is a lot more left to be shared with you all. So stay connected. I will be back soon. Bye bye.